Hello guys, welcome to this episode. Today we are come to solve examples under the describing the nature of root of a quadratic equation. Okay, so we have two examples here, so let's get started. Okay, so for the first question, we have to describe the nature of root of the quadratic equation 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So before we can describe the nature of root of this quadratic equation, we must find the discriminant. So the discriminant is given by b squared minus 4ac. Okay, b squared minus 4ac, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, and c equals to negative 8. Okay, so our discriminant will be 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by negative 8, which is 4 plus, okay, negative positive. Okay, 4 times 3 is what? 12, and 12 times 8 is what? 96. Okay, so 96. So therefore our discriminant is what? 100, and we realize that 100 is what? Greater than 0. Therefore we can say that the quadratic equation will have two real but distinct roots. Okay, so the quadratic equation will have two real but distinct roots. Okay.